today to remember the freedom fighters of our nation. Attention to all athletes. It's time to gather for the Assembly of Champions. As you come together, remember these words by legendary Jesse Owens. We all have dreams, but in order to make dreams come into reality, it takes an awful lot of determination, dedication, self-discipline, and effort. Let's bring that spirit today. We will be commencing our Independence Day with Tamil Thai Varthil to honor and celebrate the richness of Tamil language and culture. It is a mark of respect for our cultural heritage. I request everyone to stand up and join us in singing the Tamil Thai Varthil.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டனிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you. The best way to find yourself is to love yourself in the service of others. These are the words of Mahatma Gandhi, which remind us the importance of unity, dedication, and service to our nation. I request our staff, Mrs. Saranya, to deliver the welcome address.
To one and all present here, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Freedom is the oxygen for any country and a heartbeat for its citizens. Today, we come together to celebrate the spirit of freedom and remember the countless sacrifices made by our fearless freedom fighters. It's my honor and privilege to welcome you all for our Independence Day celebration. Now, I would like to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. S. James Chebaraja, dedicated sports leader and coach. Founder of Achilles Academy, head coach at TNVIC, Anil Kumble Sports Division, head coach at SRM University, Chennai, whose achievements and dedication inspire us all. Honor us with his presence today. We are truly grateful for your time and look forward to your valuable insights, sir. Hearty welcome, sir. I feel grateful to welcome our Managing Trustee, Mr. A.N. Logamurugan, who encouraged us to put all our attention to the quality of education. Hearty welcome, sir. Now, I would like to welcome our correspondent, Dr. R. Palanisamy, who helped us to grow spiritually and mentally in our endeavors to spread the light of true wisdom and knowledge. Hearty welcome, sir. I feel grateful to welcome our respected principal, Mrs. S. Sasikala, a woman of a masterpiece of the universe, who framed our dreams alive and lays a firm foundation in our young minds. Hearty welcome, ma'am. I would like to welcome our secretary, Mr. R. Rajendran, our trustee, Mrs. R. Tarakeshwari, and our administrative officer, Mr. S. Sivasatheesh Kumar, who controls us with their simplicity and simple rules to deliver the strong and safe education. My hearty welcome to all our dignitaries. I extend my welcome to all my fellow teachers. Your commitment to nurturing young minds is commendable. I also welcome the parents who trust us with their children's education. Your support is invaluable. I also welcome the media people for your presence and coverage mean a great deal to us as we celebrate this exciting day. Finally, I would like to welcome my dear students. You are the future of our country. The energy and enthusiasm you bring to the celebration are a testament to the bright future ahead. It is a day to reflect on our past, appreciate our present, and dream of a bright future. Let's salute the nation on this Independence Day. Once again, I welcome you all. Jai Hind.
For your inspiring welcome address. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. These words perfectly embody our esteemed chief guest, Mr. James Jabaraja, founder of Eccles Academy, whose leadership and contribution have been a great source of inspiration. Let us now take a moment to honor our chief guest. I request our managing trustee, Mr. A.N. Logumurugan, to adorn a shawl signifying respect and recognition for his valuable presence and achievements. Thank you, sir. May I kindly invite our respected correspondent, Dr. R. Palanisamy, to come forward and present this shield as a symbol of gratitude for his presence and invaluable contribution for his event.
The sun is a daily reminder that we too can rise again from the darkness, that we too can shine our own light. Respected dignitaries on the dais and beloved parents, cherished faculty members, and my dear students, very good morning to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on this proud occasion of our 78th Independence Day. Today, we celebrate not just for freedom, but the values and principles makes our nation great. In this occasion, it is a great pleasure to welcome such a noble personality as our chief guest, Mr. James Jabaraja S. On behalf of one and all present here, I welcome you, sir. Our chief guest, Mr. James Jabaraja, completed his bachelor degree in computer science and physical education. He also completed law in Karnataka Law University. He also qualified World Association of Basketball Coaches Level 2 in Hyderabad in the year 2017. Mr. James Jabaraja is the founder of Eccles Academy. It is an educational institution focused on providing specialized training and coaching for athletic development. James Jabaraja is the head coach at Tanvik, a sports training organization affiliated with Anil Kumble Sports Division. Under James Jabaraja's leadership, the academy aims to offer structured and effective training to aspiring cricketers, leveraging his expertise to nurture talent and foster excellence in cricket. Furthermore, James Jabaraja also excels as the head coach at SRM University in Chennai. Here, he is instrumental in developing and managing the university's sports programs. James Jabaraja's multi-faced roles reflect a profound dedication to education and sports. His contribution have a significant impact on countless individuals, and his work continues to inspire and elevate the standards in both realms. We salute your exceptional efforts and the unwavering patience, sir. Dear children, takes this opportunity to learn from our chief guest and strive to achieve your goal. We are very proud about you, sir. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now we have an awe-inspiring moment to embellish the young leaders with the sashes. May we now request our chief guest, Mr. S. James Jabaraja, to confer the students with their sashes. Sir, please. The young budding leaders of by donning the mantle leadership. To begin with, we have our school head boy, the linchpin of the school, Master Rohit Shivaram of grade 11 is marching forward elegantly to receive his sash. Congratulations, Rohit Shivaram. Follow your dream with dedication and you will be a great reader. Followed by Rohit Shivaram, here comes our school head girl, Hanshika P. of grade 11, moving forward gorgeously to receive her slash. Congratulations, Hansika. Let your dream, hard work rise to be an efficient leader. It is indeed a defining moment for all of us. All the new inducted leaders are now endowed with the Yashash. I hope that these young leaders will uphold the values of the school and do their duties honestly and impartially. Thank you, sir.
It's time for a very special moment, the flag hoisting ceremony. I would like to invite our chief guest to lead us in hoisting the national flag. This symbolizes our pride, unity, respect for our nation.
Join us as we celebrate the pride of our nation with the stirring anthem, Thayin Mani Kodi Parir.
தாயின் மணி கொடி பாரீர் அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரீர் தாயின் மணி கொடி பாரீர் ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோ கம்பம் அதன் உச்சியின் மேல் வந்தே மாதரம் என்று பாங்கின் எழுதி திகழும் செய்ய பட்டொளி வீசி பறக்குது பாரீர் தாயின் மணி கொடி பாரீர் அதை தாழ்ந்து பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரீர் தாயின் மணி கொடி பாரீர்.
We are now moving on to a significant highlight of the Independence Day, the NCC Parade, which represents discipline, leadership and dedication. We are proud to showcase our NCC cadets' impressive skill and coordination today.
dedication. Your hard work and discipline are truly commendable.
Collide in a breathtaking display of unity and patriotism. Let us march past the flag of the past, saluting our achievements, pondering over our mistakes, and thinking of the lessons for the way forward as we march forward to great tomorrow. Today, we witness the culmination of weeks of meticulous practice as our vibrant contingents take to the field to showcase the essence of their training and dedication. This march past is not just a competition, but a celebration of excellence. It is a platform where dedication meets skill and where every team, regardless of the final outcome, emerges victorious. Here, the march past begins.
All groups, turn to the right, right, turn. Captain's position. Groups, by left, octave, march.
A band that marches together, dreams together, practice like you have never won, perform like you have never lost. Rhythm is the soul of life. The whole universe resolves in it.
generosity and fertility. Led by Captain R.B. Maushika of grade 11 and Vice Captain S. Trishita of grade 9. Watching the adorable marching of yellow marigold symbolizes joy, happiness, optimism, idealism, led by the Captain M. Yudiksha of grade 11 and Vice Captain V. Anushka of grade 9. And goal. Ups and downs, success and failure should be always expressed in a stable manner like our arm swing. We must focus in our path carefully, hold all the qualities like punctuality, honesty, courage, kind, respect, politeness, discipline, ready to learn and correct the mistake. If we follow the following qualities, we can also walk march in front with a pride in this society. Let us give them a big applause. Thank you, children, for your wonderful marching.
An exciting moment, the lighting of the Olympic torch. The Olympic torch represents the spirit of sportsmanship, unity and excellence. As we light the torch today, we honor the values and enthusiasm of our young athletes. I would like to invite our chief guest, Mr. James Jabaraja, the founder of Akels Academy, to come forward and light the Olympic torch. The Olympic torch is received by M. Sri Charan of grade 12. He has participated in the Metropolitan Zonal Level Under 17 categories in 2023. He has also secured 3rd place in the Revenue District level. He participated in the State Level Athletic Championship held on 6 July at Chennai. Followed by M. Sabrin of grade 12, she participated in the State Level Athletic Championship and held at KSR Institute Namakkal. She also participated in the Metropolitan Zonal Level Under 19 category javelin throw and secured 1st place. Next, the Olympic torch bearer is R.E. Maushiha of grade 11. She has participated in the zonal level discus throw under 17 category and secured 2nd place. She also secured 4th place in the revenue district level. She has also participated in the state level athletic championship held on 5th and 6th July at Chennai.
by Darshni of grade 11. She had participated in the zonal level 400 meters and secured first place. She also participated in the Tamil Nadu Athlete Association Junior Athletic Championship in the state level held on July 6th at Chennai.
Followed by K. Mahanish of grade 12. He has participated in the zonal level under 17 category javelin throw and secured first place. He has also secured third place in the revenue district level, and he has participated in the Tamil Nadu Athlete Association Junior Athletic Championship, which was held on 6th July at Chennai.
The entire process is steeped in tradition of symbolizing the passing of Olympic flame.
We will take part in SVGB Metric Higher Secondary School annual sports meet, loyal competition, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them, and desire to participate in the true spirit of the sportsmanship for the honor of our institution and for the glory of sports. Thank you.
To witness a truly inspiring event thus far, and truly honored to have the opportunity to hear his enlightened words. Without further ado, let us welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. James Jabaraja, the founder of Akels Academy, to address the gathering. I believe we have all been privileged to witness a truly inspiring event thus far and witness a truly inspiring moment, and I have the opportunity to hear his enlightened words. Without further ado, let us welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. James Jabaraja, the founder of Akels Academy, to address the gathering.
A very happy morning to everyone present here. Most respected correspondent, Dr. Palniswamy sir, respected Secretary, Mr. Rajendran, Principal, Mrs. Sasikala ma'am, and all the esteemed trustees, the excellent teachers, parents, and the wonderful students. I must appreciate all the students who has done the March 1st. You have done a fabulous job, your coordination, your teamwork, the way you synced and you performed the activity is so wonderful. Even I couldn't stand there for 15 minutes where the hot sun and the climate, it's kind of fatigue. But you all have an excellent willpower. So give yourself a big round of applause. And shortly, I'm not going to take much time. I just had few discussions with the PE teachers and the coaches who is part of this institution. To the management, I would like to convey this behalf of them. The facility and the structure what SAI, Sports Authority of India, and SDAT, Sports Development Authority of Tamil Nadu is providing, similar kind of training your teachers are giving here. For example, the training starts at morning 5:30. So, for example, for us, when we take a professional teams, we have only 12 to 20 players. And to bring the team, for example, Coimbatore district level, there is this STAT hostel team. They have only 20 players to train. But here, the teachers are handling the PE program, and also they are scouting the players during the PE program, and after schools they are giving a lot of time. For example, morning 5:30 to 7:30, and evening it goes 3 to 7, which is commendable, and that is what the result speaks. A lot of players from here, they are representing the districts and state teams, and many laurels they are bringing for the school teams. So going forward, they're also putting more efforts, and they're also lot of hard work is going on, and upcoming season and the upcoming years, the sport for this institution is so bright. Looking at the hardworking coaches and the players, I can assure that. And wishing you all a new season. Once again, happy Independence Day. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
Catch a breath for this moment. The time has come to unleash the hidden talents of our institution. India is the land of diverse cultures, and our students of 6th and 7th are here to showcase the epitome of this diversity. From the hearts of our nation's heritage, we present a classical dance.
കാമധനുസിലെ നളിനം
welcome a bundle of joy, our KG cuties, as they shake our legs to their favorite tunes. Our little ones are going to blow you away with their adorable dance moves.
हेलो हाय नमस्ते सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा बोरिंग लम्हों को कर दे गुलाबी जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी अपना फेमस है याराना अपने संग तू भी आ जाना छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना
Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man. Cool, cool, man. Cool, 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 man. Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man. गम को ए यार उल्लू बना दे खुल के तू मुस्कुराना छोड़ फिक्रों की घंटी बजाना दिल की ढोलक बजाना
सीधी होठों पे ले आना मौज मस्ती हो रोजाना जोश कितना है दिखलाना जोरों जोरों से तो चिल्लाना
Cool, cool, man. Cool, 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 man. Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man. Cool, 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 man. Cool, 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 man. Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man.
हेलो हाय नमस्ते सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा बोरिंग लम्हों को कर दे गुलाबी जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी अपना फेमस है याराना अपने संग तू भी आ जाना छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना
Cool, cool, man. Cool, 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 man. Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man. Cool, 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 man. Cool, 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 man. Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man.
Thank you, buddies, for your wonderful performance. The future of our nation rests in the hands of our youth. A young orator is ready to ignite the stage with a patriotic fervor. I call upon Harini TJ of grade 12 standard to share her thoughts on this momentous occasion.
Is standing here to speak few words about our Independence Day.
This day is very special because we forget the differences of caste, greed, and other discrepancies and come together to unite our nation and reveal the glories of our nation. Today, we gather here to honor and celebrate the sacrifices and hard work made by our forefathers who fought for our nation. From the non-violent resistance led by Mahatma Gandhi to bravery of countless others, we stood united in the quest for self-determination. On this auspicious day, let us remember and pay homage to those who laid down their lives for the sake of freedom. On this day, 15th August 2024, India is celebrating 78 years of freedom from the British colonial and attained the liberty as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 2024. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest freedom fighters and known as father of our nation, and he was biggest key driving force behind the freedom. Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose were the most important freedom fighters of our nation and used their wide range of intellectual strategies to force British out of India. The path of independence requires sacrifice and determination. As a student, it is your responsibility to make the most of the opportunities as the way or to honor those sacrifices. Independence Day is time to celebrate the ideals that form the foundation of our nation, liberty, democracy, and unity. It is also a day to honor the legacy who fought for our freedom. To commemorate this significant event, we must also recognize the ongoing journey and also advance the principles of justice and equality for all. By coming together in celebration, we must also celebrate our diverse and vibrant community that makes our nation strong. Independence Day is not a day only of remembrance of past, but also a day to reaffirmation of our shared values and aspiration for the future. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.
Harini, for your spectacular speech. Students of grade 1 and 2 are ready to perform a dance dedicated to their brave soldiers of Indian Army. This performance is a tribute to our nation, tribute to their courage and dedication to our nation.
Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Put your hands up, souke, souke. Shake your hips and hule, hule, oh. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Put your hands up, souke, souke. Shake your hips and hule, hule, oh. Tout le monde qui bouge. Tout le monde qui danse. Tout le monde qui chante. On bouge, on bouge. Tout le monde qui bouge. Tout le monde qui danse. Tout le monde qui chante. On bouge, on bouge. Get into the groove and move your body. If you feel alone, just grab somebody. You wanna whine, say you wanna ride. Let the rhythm take you home. Ride it like you do the rodeo. When it takes you, let it go. Around the world, people dancing Zumba. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Put your hands up, Phuket, Phuket. Shake your hips and hule, hule, oh. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Put your hands up, Phuket, Phuket. Shake your hips and hule, hule, oh. Jump up, move out of there, say dance like a shot. Make it move in the room. I said boom, 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 boom. To the left, to the right. I said dance like a shot. Make it move in the room. I said boom, 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 boom. To the left, to the right. Zumba, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah, zumba, yeah. 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 Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Put your hands up, Phuket, Phuket. Shake your hips and hule, hule, oh. People in LA, everybody in Brazil, people in Africa, from bouge, from bouge. Let me see you boogie, boogie, zumba, boogie, oh. Boogie, baga, boogie, boogie, fais-moi boogie, oh. Let me see you boogie, boogie, zumba, boogie, oh. Boogie, baga, boogie, boogie, fais-moi boogie, oh. just rock and roll. Bring it down and down to the flow. On your mark, get set, ready go, ready go, ready go, ready go, ready go, ready go, 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 go. 1, 2, let's go. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Turn up, bouge, bouge. Check out your turn, bouge, bouge, bouge. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge. Turn up, bouge, bouge. Check out your turn, bouge, bouge. Let me see you boogie, boogie, zumba boogie, wumba boogie, boogie, baga boogie, boogie, fais-moi boogie, wumba. Let me see you boogie, boogie, zumba boogie, wumba boogie, boogie, baga boogie, boogie, fais-moi boogie, wumba boogie, wumba. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge, put your hands up, fouke, fouke, shake your hips and hooray, hooray, ho. Everybody dance and bouge, bouge, put your hands up, fouke, fouke, shake your hips and hooray, hooray, ho. जान ले लो आज हमारे फिर दिखेंगे कल से बोल दो जमाने से कि डर भी डरता हमसे कदम हम आगे बढ़ते गिरते पड़ते फिर भी लड़ते हर कदम हम आगे बढ़ते गिरते पड़ते फिर भी लड़ते आजा आजमा ले तू किसमें कितना है जोर टीम इंडिया है हम 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 झुकने से पहले सोच सीने पे तिरंगा है हिम्मत है हार बार हौसला बहार है आसमां फाड़ है तू शेर की दहाड़ है टीम इंडिया है हम 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 टीम इंडिया है
You are heroes who pay tribute to our nation. Get ready to feel the spirit of patriotism. Our young stars from grade 3, 4 and 5 are about to ignite the stage with their patriotic dance. Let's celebrate our nation's pride with a vibrant dance performance.
தேசத்தின் எல்லை ஓரமே நீ இல்லை என்ற நேரமே எந்த கண்களும் உறங்க முடியுமா வான்முட்டும் நெருப்பு வேலியாய் நீ மட்டும் காவல் இருப்பதால் தாயின் மணிக்கொடி நிமிர்ந்து பறக்குதே இல்லம் இந்தியா தில்லும் இந்தியா உன் தாயும் இந்தியா தாவரம் நீ தானே புயலின் புதல்வா உரையில்லா வீரமும் நீ வீரனே ஓய்வறியாத ஓட்டம் நீ ஓ வீரனே வீரனே தாலிய காக்கும் காவலன் நீ வீரனே ராணுவ உலகின் சாட்சியாய் ஓ வீரனே அன்பினம் இன்னொரு பிறப்பு தான் ஓ வீரனே வேலையும் கிடைக்காமல் நீ இங்கு வரவில்லை வேறதும் தெரியாமல் நீ இதை தொடவில்லை இது உந்தன் உயிர் தாகம் இது உனக்குள்ள எழும் யாகம் தாய் மண்ணை காக்கத்தான் நின்னால் பூமி தாய் உன் பேரை சொன்னால் இல்லம் இந்தியா இல்லம் இந்தியா இல்லம் இந்தியா இல்லம் இந்தியா உன் தாயும் இந்தியா வரும் நீதானே புயலின் முதல்வால் எரியும் கந்தகம் நீ வீரனே அக்கினி சிறகின் வேகமும் நீ வீரனே வாழ்வே வந்தே மாதரம் வா வீரனே சல்யூட் செய்தோம் அனைவரும் நீ வீரனே
Thank you, dancers, for your fantabulous performance. Tamil is not just a language, it is a treasure trove of culture, history, and literature. I call Yuha Shri of grade 4A to deliver a speech in Tamil about Independence Day. ஈரச்செருக்குடன் கொண்டாடி வரும் அனைவருக்கும் சுதந்திர தின வாழ்த்துக்கள். நான் வாழ்கின்ற இந்திய நாட்டிற்கும் நான் பிறந்த தமிழ் மண்ணிற்கும் நன்றி கலந்த வீர வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்து எனது உரையை நான் தொடங்குகிறேன். பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு நம் பாரத நாடு, பாருக்குள்ளே நல்ல நாடு நம் பாரத நாடு. ஆடுவோமே பல்லு பாடுவோமே ஆனந்த சுதந்திரம் அடைந்து விட்டோம் என்று ஆடுவோமே பல்லு பாடுவோமே ஆனந்த சுதந்திரம் அடைந்து விட்டோம். நம் தாய் திருநாட்டின் 78வது சுதந்திர தினத்தை கொண்டாடி கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். 1947 ஆண்டு ஆகஸ்ட் 15ஆம் நாள் இந்தியா பிரிட்டிஷ் அரசாங்கத்திடமிருந்து மீண்ட நாள். மக்களின் மனதில் ஆழமாக பதிந்த நாளாக உள்ளது. இன்று சுதந்திர காற்றை சுவாசித்துக் கொண்டிருக்க காரணம் தேசிய தலைவர்களின் தியாகமே ஆகும். பெற்ற சுதந்திரத்தை பேணி காப்பது நமது கடமையாகும். இவர்களுக்கு நாட்டை ஆளத் தெரியாது என்று சொல்லியவர் முன்பு ஆளுமையுடன் 78 ஆண்டுகள் நிறைவு செய்துள்ளது. பல கண்டுபிடிப்புகள், பல்வேறு வளர்ச்சிகள், பல சாதனைகள் நம் இந்தியா உலகளவில் அடையாளம் காட்டியுள்ளது. பல இனம், மதம், மொழி என வேறுபாடுகள் இருந்தாலும் இந்திய நாடு என் நாடு, இதில் வாழும் அனைவரும் என் கேளீர். இந்திய நாடு என் நாடு, இதில் வாழும் அனைவரும் என் கேளீர் என்று பறைசாட்டி வாழ்ந்து வருபவர்கள் நம் பாரத மக்கள். என்ன வளம் இல்லை இத்திரு நாட்டில், எல்லை எல்லா வளம் நம் தாய் நாட்டில். என்ன வளம் இல்லை இத்திரு நாட்டில், எல்லை எல்லா வளம் நம் தாய் நாட்டில். அந்நிய மோகத்தினை அகற்றிவிட்டு சுரண்டல்களை நீக்கிவிட்டு நாடு உயர்ந்தால் நாம் உயரலாம் என்பதனை எல்லோருடைய மனதிலும் ஏற்றுக்கொண்டு பெற்று தந்த சுதந்திரத்தை மகிழ்வுடன் ஏற்றிச் செல்வோம். வாழ்க பாரதம், வந்தே மாதரம். வாய்ப்பளித்தமைக்கு நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Prepare to be moved by a performance that will stay with you. Through the grace of dance and the symbolism of leaves, our students will raise awareness about the devastating effects of deforestation. This dance conveys a powerful message about the deforestation. Our students from grade 6 and 7 will present a thought-provoking dance.
போற்றிடாகும். இறைவன் தந்த இந்த இயற்கையினை உந்தன் நெஞ்சம் மறந்ததே. சூலைவனமும் அதன் மகரந்தமும் நாம் இழந்து தவிப்பதையே. வாழவில் யாவும் மறைந்தே கரைந்து போனதே. வண்டும் குருவியும் காற்றல கதிர்களில் மடியுதே. அவைகளும் வாழ்ந்திட ஏங்குதே. வாழ்விடம் தேடி வருந்துதே. இறைவன் தந்த இந்த இயற்கையினை உன் நெஞ்சம் மறந்ததே. சோலைகளும் அதன் மகரந்தமும் நாம் இழந்து தவிப்பதே. வாழும் உலகில் குப்பைகள் சேர்க்க நியாயமா? உன் வீட்டினை மட்டும் சுத்தம் செய்தால் போதுமா? நோய்களும் ஏனும் வாழ்வது வீணும் கங்கையும் தினமே கலங்குது. ஆலை புகையில் ஆறுதல் தேடி ஆக்சிஜன் இங்கு அலறுது. இறைவன் தந்த இந்த இயற்கையினை உன் நெஞ்சம் மறந்ததே. சோலைகளும் அதன் மகரந்தமும் நாம் இழந்து தவிப்பதே. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் யோசித்தால் இயற்கையை நேசித்தால் சொர்க்கமென பூமியை மாற்றலாம். நீயும் நானும் உலகின் வளங்களை போற்றி போற்றி காப்போம். வானும் மண்ணும் இனி வரும் உயிர்களை போற்றி போற்றி காப்போம். இறைவன் தந்த இந்த இயற்கையினை உந்தன் நெஞ்சம் மறந்ததே. சூலைவனமும் அதன் மகரந்தமும் நாம் இழந்து தவிப்பதையே.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Let's open our hearts and enjoy the soulful expression of art. Now we are about to experience a beautiful semi-classical dance performance of grade 11 girls.
தரி கிட தோம் நாச்சுர கோரி தாம் திதாம் தேய்த்தரே
चरण दीन तरी निकित दीन तरी किडतो नाच रहे गोरी ताम दिदाम ते तरी किडत दीन तरी निकित
Junuta, dinta, kirdaka junuta, dinta, kirdaka junuta, dumta, dum da na 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 na, dum da na 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 na, dum agapa,
dum da na na de na 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 na, dum agasa,
ragda dum da 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 di ra na 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 na,
da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dum da na 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 de na 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 dum.
dana di ra na, gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa, dana di ra na, gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa, dana di ra na, gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama ba la gama ma, gama ba la gama sa, gama ba la gama ma, gama ba la gama sa. Gama ni pa gama ma, gama ba la gama sa, sa gama ba sa gama ma. I'm in love with your body. Why, 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 why?
Niri ba ba niri ba ba kare sa ni.
Why, 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 why?
Pani sa sa pani sa sa pani sa sa.
Why, 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 why?
Kare ni sa ba kare sa ni da ba.
Why, 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 why? Now follow my lead.
Ta jum num ta rum ta dhalam ku tak tak ku da da gir tig 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 ta jum tak jum ta ta gita ta da ta jum tig jum ta ta num ta rum ta gita ta da gir tig tig ta ta ri ta dana ta run ta din ta da jum ta num ta rum ta dim ta gir tig ta dim ta tig ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam ta kita dana ta tangir tig dim ta ta jum dim da kita jum da kita jum da jum da kita ta jum tig ta dam ta ta dana ta tig ta dana ta jum ta dana ta tangir tig ta jum dim da ta jum nam da kita jum ta dim tom nam ta tangir tig ta di ta dana ta tig dana ta jun ta dim ta di ta dana ta di ta dana ta tangir tig ta dim tig ta dim tig ta dim tig ta dim tig ta jum tig ta tangir tig ta.
We gathered here today to celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship, determination and unity. Now I request our chief guest to declare the sports meet by releasing this beautiful pigeon as a symbol of hope, freedom and boundless potential that resides within each one of you. With these words, I declare the SVGV sports meet open. Let the games begin. 10 and 11 girls gather at the designated area for the draw. Report to the starting point without delay.